Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Baking Secrets by Anna. In today's video we are going to make vegan pancakes. They are very easy to prepare and they are perfect for breakfast. So let's get started. In a large mixing bowl I'm going to add in my sugar, vanilla extract, and my milk which I have mixed before with my vinegar, and I have set it to the side for at least 5 minutes now. I'm going to add it into the mixture and I'm going to give this a stir. Lastly, I'm going to add in my baking powder, salt and flour. My mixture is ready, so let's make our pancakes. Place the crepe pan over medium heat and leave it to heat for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then scoop out your mixture, about 1/3 of the cup each pancake. And let them bake on each side for at least 1.5 minutes. When you see bubbles formed on top of your pancakes, flip them and let them cook for at least 1 minute on the other side too. Our vegan pancakes are now ready and you can serve them right away. Don't forget that you can find all of the tools I use in the description box below. Thank you for watching guys, hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for next week's video.